Did you know that chronic kidney disease, CKD, a more advanced form of kidney disease, affects a staggering 789 million adults worldwide? In the United States alone, approximately 37 million adults grapple with CKD, constituting about 15% of the adult population. Shockingly, over 800,000 individuals in the US suffer from kidney failure and require dialysis or a kidney transplant. High blood pressure, hypertension, diabetes, and obesity are among the most common risk factors for kidney disease. What's concerning is that unhealthy snacking between meals, often consisting of packaged snacks, sugary drinks, and extra sweet treats, may worsen these health conditions. These habits not only contribute to weight gain, but also increase the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and kidney disease. But fear not. In today's video, we're exploring the world of healthy snacking to lessen the strain on your kidneys and enhance your overall health. Let's explore the top 8 kidney-friendly snacks that you can incorporate into your daily routine to nourish your body and support kidney health. Let's start. Number 1. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are packed with powerful antioxidants like flavonoids and anthocyanins. These antioxidants help fight inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which are key factors in kidney health. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition has shown that consuming berries regularly can reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease, CKD, and protect kidney function. Moreover, berries are low in potassium, making them suitable for individuals with kidney issues. Potassium is a mineral that needs to be carefully regulated in people with compromised kidney function, as high levels can be harmful. By choosing berries as a snack, individuals can enjoy their delicious taste without worrying about potassium overload. In addition to antioxidants, berries are also rich in fiber and vitamin C. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and promotes healthy digestion, while vitamin C supports immune function and collagen production. These nutrients are essential for overall health and can indirectly benefit kidney function by supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. A 2021 study found that regular consumption of berries has protective benefits against the progression of chronic kidney disease. Some animal studies showed that regular consumption of berries reduced oxidative stress and inflammation and improved kidney function in rats with chronic kidney disease. Berries are a great addition to your diet, providing numerous health benefits, including improved kidney function. They can be eaten fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies as a tasty and nutritious snack. Number 2. Apples. Apples are packed with essential nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Fiber, found mainly in the skin of the apple, aids in regulating blood sugar levels and promoting healthy digestion. A study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition suggests that increasing fiber intake from fruits and vegetables may help protect kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Vitamin C, another key nutrient in apples, supports immune function and collagen production. Collagen is essential for maintaining the structure and function of the kidney's blood vessels, which are responsible for filtering waste and excess fluids from the bloodstream. By providing ample amounts of vitamin C, apples contribute to overall kidney health. Furthermore, the antioxidants found in apples, such as quercetin and catechin, help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are linked to the development and progression of kidney disease. By consuming apples regularly, individuals can help combat these harmful processes and support kidney function. Additionally, apples are low in sodium and contain natural sugars, making them a kidney-friendly snack option. High sodium intake can lead to fluid retention and high blood pressure, both of which can strain the kidneys over time. Choosing apples as a snack helps maintain sodium balance in the body, while providing a satisfying and nutritious option. Eating apples daily benefits kidney health by providing essential nutrients and antioxidants that support kidney function and overall well-being. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment great to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. Number 3. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are rich in nutrients such as healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These nuts contain monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, which have been associated with numerous health benefits, including improved heart health and reduced inflammation. Studies have shown that the consumption of nuts, including macadamia nuts, is linked to a lower risk of chronic kidney disease, CKD. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests that regular nut consumption may decrease the risk of kidney stones and improve kidney function. The study found that individuals who consume nuts more frequently had a lower risk of developing kidney stones compared to those who consumed nuts less frequently. One of the key benefits of macadamia nuts for kidney health is their low phosphorus content. Phosphorus is a mineral that needs to be restricted in individuals with kidney disease, as high levels can contribute to bone and heart problems. Macadamia nuts are naturally low in phosphorus, making them a suitable snack option for individuals with kidney issues. Additionally, macadamia nuts are low in sodium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. High blood pressure is a common risk factor for kidney disease, so choosing snacks like macadamia nuts that are low in sodium can help support kidney health. Incorporating macadamia nuts into your daily diet can benefit your kidneys due to their nutrient-rich profile and low phosphorus and sodium content. They can be a delicious and healthy snack when eaten on their own, added to salads or used in recipes. Number 4. Papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit rich in nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and E, as well as folate, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients play various roles in supporting overall health, including kidney function. One of the key components of papaya is vitamin C, which is known for its antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Research published in the journal Food Chemistry has shown that papaya contains high levels of antioxidants, including vitamin C, which may help reduce the risk of kidney damage and improve kidney function. Additionally, papaya is a good source of potassium, a mineral that is important for maintaining fluid balance and electrolyte levels in the body. While individuals with advanced kidney disease may need to limit their potassium intake, moderate consumption of potassium-rich foods like papaya can be beneficial for those with healthy kidneys. Research published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition suggests that a diet high in potassium from fruits and vegetables may help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Papaya also contains enzymes such as papain and chymopapain, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a common factor in kidney disease progression, and reducing inflammation may help protect kidney function over time. Studies have indicated that papain and chymopapain may help reduce markers of inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting kidney health. Adding papaya to your diet can benefit your kidneys and overall health. Enjoy it fresh, in smoothies or in fruit salads for a delicious and nutritious meal or snack. Number 5. Eggplants. Eggplants, also known as aubergines, are low in potassium and rich in various nutrients that support kidney health. They contain antioxidants like niacin, which helps protect cell membranes from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, eggplants are a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, folate, potassium, and manganese. Research suggests that the compounds found in eggplants may have protective effects on kidney function. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that extracts from eggplants exhibited antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which could help prevent kidney damage and improve overall kidney health. Another study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences reported that certain components of eggplants may have nephroprotective effects, meaning they can protect the kidneys from injury or disease. Furthermore, eggplants are low in calories and high in water content, making them a hydrating and kidney-friendly food choice. Adequate hydration is essential for kidney function, as it helps flush toxins and waste products from the body. By incorporating eggplants into your daily diet, whether grilled, roasted, or sautéed, you can enjoy their delicious flavor while supporting your kidney health. Eggplants are a great choice for a kidney-friendly diet due to their low potassium content, antioxidant properties, and hydrating nature. Number 6. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are primarily composed of water, making them incredibly hydrating. Staying hydrated is essential for kidney health because it helps flush out toxins and waste products from the body through urine. Additionally, cucumbers are low in potassium, making them suitable for individuals with kidney issues. Furthermore, cucumbers contain antioxidants such as vitamin C and beta-carotene. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which can contribute to kidney damage. Research published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition suggests that increasing antioxidant intake from fruits and vegetables like cucumbers may help protect kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Another beneficial component of cucumbers is their high fiber content. Fiber aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements, which can help prevent constipation and reduce the risk of kidney stones. According to a study published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases, a high-fiber diet may lower the risk of developing kidney stones by reducing calcium and oxalate levels in the urine. Moreover, cucumbers are low in calories and sodium, making them a healthy snack option for individuals looking to manage their weight and blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common risk factor for kidney disease, so consuming foods like cucumbers that help regulate blood pressure can be beneficial for kidney health. Cucumbers are hydrating, low-potassium vegetables full of antioxidants and fiber. They support kidney health and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Add them to salads and sandwiches, or eat them raw for a nutritious snack. Number 7. Carrots. Carrots are not only tasty and versatile, but also packed with essential nutrients that support kidney health. One of the key nutrients found in carrots is vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene. Research has shown that beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant, helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which are important factors in kidney health. Furthermore, carrots are low in potassium, making them an ideal snack for individuals with kidney issues. Potassium is a mineral that needs to be carefully regulated in people with compromised kidney function, as high levels can be harmful. By including carrots in their diet, individuals can enjoy a nutrient-rich snack without worrying about potassium overload. In addition to vitamin A, carrots are also rich in fiber and vitamin C. Fiber aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, while vitamin C supports immune function and collagen production. These nutrients are crucial for overall health and can indirectly benefit kidney function by promoting overall well-being and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Moreover, carrots contain compounds called polyacetylenes, which have been studied for their potential protective effects against kidney damage. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry suggests that polyacetylenes may help prevent the formation of kidney stones and protect against kidney-related diseases. Carrots offer many health benefits, including improved kidney function. They can be eaten raw as a snack or cooked in various dishes. Number 8. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with nutrients that support overall health, including kidney function. One of the key components of Greek yogurt is its high protein content. Protein is essential for repairing and building tissues in the body, including the kidneys. Research published in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology suggests that a higher intake of protein from dairy products like Greek yogurt is associated with a reduced risk of developing kidney stones. Additionally, Greek yogurt is low in potassium, making it suitable for individuals with kidney issues. Potassium is a mineral that needs to be carefully regulated in people with compromised kidney function, as high levels can be harmful. By choosing Greek yogurt as a snack or meal option, individuals can enjoy the benefits of protein without worrying about potassium overload. Another benefit of Greek yogurt is its probiotic content. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support gut health and may indirectly benefit kidney function. Research has shown that a healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall well-being, including kidney health. By consuming Greek yogurt regularly, individuals can promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria and support their kidneys. Furthermore, Greek yogurt is a good source of calcium, which is important for bone health and may help prevent kidney stones. Adequate calcium intake can help bind to oxalate, a compound found in certain foods that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. By including Greek yogurt in your diet, you can increase your calcium intake and reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Greek yogurt is a nutritious and kidney-friendly food that provides a wide range of health benefits. It can be easily incorporated into your daily routine and enjoyed on its own, mixed with fruit, or used as a base for dips and dressings. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment great to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you.